Ouch! Your vehicle has a scratch on its bumper. Whether it be the front or rear bumper of your vehicle, you would certainly want to have it repaired. Let this video show you how Knauz repairs your bumper. The technician cleans and polishes the entire bumper panel, which makes the blemish clearly visible. Your bumper is then sanded down to smooth out the damage. Following the scratch removal, your bumper is prepped and moved to our professional paint booth. All parts of your vehicle not affected by the repair are covered to prevent overspray. Primer is applied to provide perfect adhesion for your final paint job. Using the same paint codes as the manufacturer, paint is expertly mixed to provide the perfect shade of paint for your bumper. For the factory look, several layers of clear coat are applied. Your bumper dries in the paint booth in the same way the manufacturers dry a brand new car. As a final step, your bumper is wet sanded to remove any imperfections left on the clear coat and buffed to a finished sheen. Going the extra mile to make sure you experience the best. That is how Knauz takes care of your vehicle.